I grew up in Atlanta as a boy, even though I always knew that I was a girl. This total split between who I was inside and how I was allowed to present in the world made it impossible for me to see myself accurately, made it impossible for me to see my future. I did imagine a future. It was a future of Star Trek. It was a future of Star Wars. Who I actually was, however, was nowhere to be found. Now, as an adult, I want to give myself the gift of imagining a future with me in it. But even more than that, as trans and gender non-conforming people, creating a vision of our future at a time of social backlash, violent erasure, and plague is a radical act. That's why I'm taking this journey to talk to some of the brightest and bravest people I know to find our future.